Hello? Mom? Mom, did you butt dial me again? You have a house phone. Mom. I love you too. Okay, but I'm at work right now, so I gotta talk to you later. All right, love you, bye. What's up, y'all? It's Preacher Lawson, and welcome to Hostmasters. This competition is all about what it takes to become the perfect holiday host as we challenge amateur designers to create a warm and welcoming space using all IKEA products.
It's like, yes, it's a lot of color, but also it's like, I'm a lot of color.
With me today is my co-host, Abby, our IKEA design expert. She'll be helping our contestants create the room of their dreams to welcome their guests. Together, we'll be judging the final product.
I'm so excited. I think we're gonna make some rock star interior designers out of this challenge.
I think it's gonna be great, and the prize is pretty cool, too. Let's meet our contestants.
Hi, I'm Christine, she, her. I love neutral, natural tones, especially when the parents are coming over. You gotta be neutral. I love a pop of colors. I love green. I love plants. I have a bunch of plants. I name them and I do talk to them. People come into my space and they automatically feel warmth and joy because that is what I exude.
Hi, I'm Christian. I use she and they pronouns. I'm a self-described Christmas fiend, and I also love to win. I think others might describe my aesthetic as being like very color forward. As soon as someone walks into the house, I really try to make sure that they're comfortable, that they want for nothing. My first question is always, can I offer you a glass of water?
For today's challenge, your mom just called a ring. She's on her way to visit. You will have 45 minutes to turn this room into a comfy guest space for your family's unexpected visit. So when I say go, head over to the IKEA design shop, pick out the products you would like to use to create your rooms. Ready?
Set.
Go!
Wait, I want this chair. Oh, it's really good. It's really good. For now.
The pressure is on and so is the sweat on my armpit. I love the functional bookcase. There's an open side where you could store things out in the open, and there's a closed side where you could hide and store things that you don't want people to see.
I love that sofa. It's actually a pull-out, which is iconic. It doesn't look like it at all. And the best thing about it is if my parents happen to come into town and they're like, we need to stay with you, I have them covered.
We need some green, a clock to tell my family when to go. That's what I think.
I really love like having the option of a throw blanket just because it's like so comfortable. And there's always someone with cold feet, cold hands, cold heart.
Oh my God, look at this. I'm so strong. This is what I love about IKEA. Their furniture, beautiful, movable, okay.
What candles are actually good for is to add an aroma to your space to make it feel welcoming and enjoyable.
I want my family to feel like I'm going to feed them and provide them sustenance. Oh my gosh. I'm the hostess with the mostest. Write that down, quote me.
Wait, I've always wanted to get one of these.
Well, you have to look at a room that it's not just one-dimensional, it's 3D, and how are you filling that whole space with things so your eye kind of bounces around to make sure it's visually stimulating.
A great tip for neutrals, add a pop of color. And also texture, and also core support. Make sure that you're strong in the core.
I really love that wicker chair and ottoman combo because the ottoman is a great multifunctional piece. You can use it to store things in. You can use it as a little cat bed. And on top of all that, you put your little feet up.
Oh.
Don't grab that, don't grab that. It's mine.
No. Christian and I are best friends. Hi.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
I'm gonna kick you, okay? Great. She doesn't like to admit this. Did you find something?
Yeah, I did. I found an orchid.
Oh my God, good for you. Cute. Cool, whatever, it's fine.
My mom loves orchids.
I'm gonna call her Stacy. I like to name my plants.
I'm a plant lady. I always bring greenery into a space because it creates wellness.
Wow, nice yellow pillow over there. Interesting, kind of goes with the yellow pillow I have in my section.
Preacher, do you think we should go help him out?
I think we should.
Let's do it.
Maybe I can give him a couple tips. I'm obviously helping you out, so.
You're gonna help me out?
I can help you out. Y'all pretty good.
Christine.
Hi, how are you?
Hi,
Preacher.
What's up? How you doing?
You have parents coming, you're setting this space up. Can you walk us through it a little bit?
So this is a neutral space, which I like my family to come into a neutral zone.
It's kind of chaotic when they come in, and so you wanted a neutral base. That's a good tip. I see the positioning of the TV, and it's at an angle. What was the decision there?
So I wanted to add an extra chair here for more people to sit and to view the television. I think you're right. I could have turned it over just a little bit at an angle. Textures are great. I think it adds a little pop, just like the color.
I'm gonna maybe challenge you on this one.
Yes!
Because we got a lot going on right here. When you say you are working with a neutral palette, that's your base, which is really important. And then you can layer on textiles. So maybe try to work with some pattern. The texture is really great, but adding a little pattern to break it up. Because right now you just have a lot of colors going on. Christine, we have to leave.
Thank you for coming.
Good luck with
Later.
your parents.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, not as bad as I thought.
Christian, hey!
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
This sofa is beautiful.
I love this sofa.
This velvet is such a great plush fabric, and this will be so inviting for your parents.
What about this elephant?
That's Malcolm. He's family. I think that probably the most significant relationship that I forged while a part of this competition was with Malcolm.
Malcolm is trying to get in between me and Christian.
When I'm looking at materials, we haven't balanced out the space.
Uh-huh.
So we have a lot of wicker on wicker over there. And this was a nice accent to bring the natural element over here to balance it, but it's probably not enough. So I think balance is a key element to really think about when you're planning this space. You like color, you like natural elements, but we have to integrate them so your eye moves throughout the room. Does that make sense?
Yes, that makes perfect sense.
Okay, we're just excited to see what you're gonna do. So great job so far, and we'll see you soon, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right,
Bye, Abby. Bye, Preacher.
See you later.
I really appreciated the notes. Something that Abby mentioned was that the TV was only facing this one chair in the room. So I had to reposition the TV console so that everyone in the space could watch TV. Why not? Okay, beautiful.
So I had to figure out a way to incorporate the wicker into this side of the room. And I just had a brilliant plan. One thing that Abby said was taking one piece that informs the rest of the room. And for me, that was really the rug.
Oh, hello.
That sound means another competition for our contestants. This time, we'll be testing your hosting skills with the food challenge. Here's how it works. Since we know the parents are coming to dinner, you have 5 minutes to put together an appetizer fancy enough to win them over. But there's a catch. You can only use the items in front of you. Does everyone understand? Good. Then in 3, 2, 1, dish it up.
Let's go! Feed my parents.
Gotta have wings.
Ooh, multi-grain crisp bread. Yeah, for the cheese. Wow, magic. This is like a charcuterie board. I can't pronounce that word.
You mean charcuterie?
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 I added the roll.
I don't know if I'd be a good person to do all this because I'm a snacker. Yeah. So I'll
You
put
be
it
eating it
the
all?
whole time.
I'm just gonna break these so people can add cheese and then you know? That's what I call I make noises to describe things.
Oh, these smell so good and they're so pillowy.
Oh my God, these smell great. Oh, look how colorful to go with the room.
You know, this is such a creative process, regardless of what you're doing. You're bringing this into your design, and it's all part of it. So working with color on a plate is so important with the presentation. You can see the complementary colors of the grapes is really nice, and just how they're laying that out on the tray.
Hey, Christian.
Hey, what?
How you doing over there?
Better than you.
You know what? I send you love and peace. Love and peace
Okay.
and God.
Time's up. Let's see how they did.
I think it went really, really well. Part of me feels like I was in totally over my head.
Okay, what I love about IKEA, stylistic, modern, functional. We love. A lot of their furniture is multi-purpose. So there is this end table that has a handle above it. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I can carry it from one end of the space to the other. You want a spritzer? Hold on, I'll be right there. Let me just grab it.
I know they were like, you're getting a little fun with color, but I want to have a little more fun with color, sorry.
I incorporated texture with the use of wicker baskets, the velvet green pillows I added to the couch, which was a great contrast to the pale pink. We're getting rid of this, it's too much. And the blankets. Ugh. Do we have one on set? Because I think I want to wrap myself around.
How are you doing right now, Christine? Because I'm crushing it.
You are crushing it. I believe in you, and I believe in myself.
Christine, look at what you've done with this space.
It looks awesome.
Wow.
You said texture, I brought it. I also kept it simple. We have pinks and greens and different textured pillows to match.
Beautiful. Absolutely
you.
beautiful.
Dance with me, right?
Yeah.
Don't you want to live here with me?
Well, you just really brought everything together. It's so functional. You worked with materials really well. Great job.
Thank
Just
you.
absolutely love it. It's so comfortable. Great job.
Thank you so
you.
much.
All right, let's go.
See you soon. Drive safely. Call me when you get home.
I will. Okay.
We will.
Okay, you kids be careful. You're crazy. I love them.
Christian, oh my gosh, look at your space.
Hi, yes,
Hi.
welcome to my space.
Hi, Malcolm. We've missed you.
Oh my gosh, didn't you? As you see, I took your note about the wicker very seriously.
I think you did. And I think you added something that's just fab behind the sofa.
Yes, as you know, I famously love to look at myself.
As we all do, right?
Don't we?
Not me.
You like to look at yourself the most.
You're right.
Christian, great job. You absolutely crushed it. We're so proud of you.
Oh my God, thank you so much, Abby. Thank you so much, Preacher. And
Welcome.
thank you so much, Malcolm.
Congratulations.
You take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Our contestants really came through on the rooms today, and here at Hostmasters, everyone's a winner. So now it's time for the awards. Thank you. The first award goes to Christine, most likely to host a party for her plants.
Thank you. That checks out. I'm gonna name them Brimness after the bookcase I have in my apartment.
Oh,
Thank you, IKEA.
And our second award goes to Christian. Yes, best interpretation of the elephant in the room. Congrats!
Thank you so much. I owe it all to you, Malcolm.
I'd like to thank our contestants for being with us today. Our IKEA expert, Abby, for those functional design tips and tricks, and you at home for watching. Affordable fun is always a good time. If you're an IKEA family member, don't forget to take advantage of all the exclusive discounts, expert advice, and hot cup of coffee or tea each visit. If you haven't signed up yet, go now. It's free. Until next time.